Hi everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and I have finished my first of 2 holiday projects that I am rolling out this fall. This is a linen and wool soft case for eyeglasses. So here are my eyeglasses. Fit perfectly inside, but also this fits my iPhone, so it is a perfect cell phone case. I have a iPhone 6 Plus. It's one of the bigger models, so it'll fit the smaller models as well. This is my daughter's iPhone, so I just wanted to show you. It's in a case. She has a covering and it fits perfectly inside. I wanted this case to be something that you could stitch up in a week or 2. So there are 5 shapes on each side, and this comes with detailed instructions, with photographs and hyperlinks to all of the videos, the YouTube videos for every stitch that's used. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, and until next time, let's keep stitching. Don't know if you can see Merlin, but he's sitting on another project, which he likes to do. Merlin approves this new design.